Hey everybody, Bruce and Heath here, PK Industrial Coatings. We're going to polish, paint, correct, and ceramic coat this Fendt combine. This is going to remove the microfine scratches that are in it, and then we're going to put the coating on it, which will make it scratch resistant, not scratch proof, but it'll stop the paint from oxidizing. So the black won't chalk out as time progresses, as single stage paint likes to do. And also you'll see that there's a lot of non-painted plastic panels that are notorious for chalking out, and the ceramic coating will stop that from happening. So we'll be able to get a nice color out of all this, but then lock that color in so it stays that way year after year.